Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
Makita 9557 PBX1, we must start off the mini review by praising its incredibly cheap asking price. Considering the multitude of performance and convenience features it comes with, the price tag attached to it is quite unexpected. The numerous ease of use features it includes are an extra-large paddle switch that enhances comfort. DeWalt DWE402, the numerous features this DeWalt power tool comes with alongside its cheap price tag make it one of the best products in terms of quality-value ratio. Easy and convenient to work with, tasks you once used to dread will become a lot more delightful with it by your side. One of the many features it comes with that add to its appeal is the one-touch guard, as it allows a unique 360. Bosch GWS18V-50, for professional cutting and grinding applications, you need a powerful tool, and Bosch delivers just that. As it is designed to not only ensure a safe operation but last throughout the years impressively even if it is used on a daily basis, it is an investment that you will have a lot to gain from. It measures 11 inches in length, 5 inches in width, and 3.6 inches in height. Makita GA7021, it does not allow dust and debris to enter its chambers and affect parts, thus ensuring a prolonged lifespan. Featuring a powerful 15-amp motor, it does not fail when it comes to fast stock removal as it provides up to 6,000 RPM. Unlike a lot of other products on this market, it delivers a superior energy transfer and smoother rotations as due to the spiral bevel gears it features. DeWalt DCG413B, the cordless DeWalt DCG413B presents you with a convenient manner to get things done as there is no cord to limit your movement in the workspace. It boasts a maximum 9,000 RPM no-load speed and features a two-stage trigger that requires two simple actions to activate the tool. The wheel stops in under 2 seconds due to the electronic brake it features.